Now, the diagram shows a parallelogram OAC, where OA is A and OB is B. Express the following vectors in terms of A and or B. Now, what does this A and or B means? It can be in terms of A, in terms of B, or a mixture of A and B. Is that clear? Okay, now let's take a look at this part here. BC. Can you look at BC? BC is like that, right? Can you see it's parallel to OA? So BC is just what? Vector A, right? Can you see it? You can see from the diagram straight away, right? Huh? Next one, CA. CA is this direction. Can you see it? Now, if it's in this direction is B, how about in the other direction? If it's in this direction is B, how about if I point the other direction? Negative what?
Negative.
Negative B, right? Hey, I told you this before, right? Correct or not? If it is like this one is B, then the other direction, the same thing will be negative B lah. Right now. So this one will be a negative B. Can you see? Can you see what I'm talking about here? So we must be able to deduce that, okay? Next one, OC. Now, OC is here. So it's actually B plus A, right? Can you see? Or if you look at the parallelogram law, right, it's the diagonal, so it's also A plus B. Can you see it? Now, I want to ask a question. Is A plus B the same as B plus A?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So this one is just A plus B. Everybody okay so far? Until part 3? Okay, next I'm going to clean off already, this part. Okay, they want to find CO. Now, I know OC. How to find CO? CO is the other way around, right?
Minus.
So I will have minus A plus B, right? Can you see it? So if I open up the bracket, what will you give me? Minus A minus B. Everybody clear? So we do it systematically. You don't rush. Because when you rush, the first part is wrong, right? Subsequent parts will also be wrong. Okay, now next one. What about AB? AB is here. Now all of you look, I'm going to teach you. Can you see AB is here? It's this one originate, right? And it points over to this side. So this one should straight away be what?
A plus B. A minus.
B minus A, right?
Yeah,
Correct. Can you see it's B minus A? According to what we have learned yesterday. Look at this one, this way, right, originate here, right? Then it points to B. Can you see it now? Okay, so yesterday our vector diagram drawing, right, is to enable us to deduce all this, understand? Now, then this one should be no problem. AB is this, so what is BA? Who can tell me? AB is this, what's BA? The other direction, right? So negative what? B minus A, right? So what does this give me?
Minus B plus A.
Minus B plus A. If you write A minus B, can? Can, also the same thing. Is that clear? But you write minus B plus A is good enough. I will give you the full marks already. Is that clear to everyone? Can or cannot? So, what does this NAOB means? Can you see this one is in terms of A, this one is in terms of B, then the rest are a mixture of A and B. So they like to use A, B or PQ. That kind of things. Understand? Okay, N also can. Huh? So, are you clear with this example 9? No problem? Okay, good. Next, I need to tell you some notations here that is very, very useful, okay, when we do vector addition and vector subtraction. Okay, I want you to look at the first one on top. Can you see PQ plus QR will be PR, right? This one I told you some time ago. Can you see that this intermediate one must be the same? Okay. Now, if I want AB, how should I write in terms of minus and not plus? Plus, I know you know how to write. It's actually A, maybe AC plus CB, right? Okay, intermediate one is the same. Now, if I want to write it in terms of other things, right? Minus, right? It should be OB OB minus OA. This one minus this one. Understand? Now, and the point need not be O. It can be that means the original is the same. Everybody clear here? Understand? When we plus, the intermediate must be the same. When we minus, the starting point must be the same. Understand? Then you reverse BA. Understand? Okay. Can you write this down onto your textbook? This one? BA is OA minus OB or PA minus PB, or you can also have QA minus QB as long as the starting is the same. Can you write this down? Okay, this one, I'll write this down. This one is important. Okay? Okay, huh? Now then, you tell me, if I want PQ and I start with O, I want minus O what minus O what?
OP minus OQ.
O what minus O
OP
what?
minus OQ.
OQ minus OP. It must be the other way round. Understand? Don't mix that. Do you follow? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay, so this one is the important one. Okay, then following which we will go on to the next example. Example 10. Can all of you look at this example? But actually, no need diagram one. We just see here already, okay? All of you look at. I'm going to teach you how to do it. A. PR plus RQ. No need to even talk about it. What's the answer?
PQ.
PQ. Everybody can see? Everybody can see it's PQ? Okay, next one. Part B. OQ minus OR.
RQ.
R.
RQ.
RQ, right? Can see? According to what I told you just now. Okay. Now, it's part C that you need further explanation. PQ minus QR. How? Is there a way to simplify this? Is there a way to simplify this? This one cannot be simplified, can you see? Because it's not intermediate same and plus, and they don't start with the same. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Okay, so this part 3 cannot be done, or cannot be simplified. Okay, then I need to introduce to you another thing. Can you tell me BA is what of A? What is different in the two of them? Opposite. So this is actually negative, right? Can see or not? You must know this. Likewise, AB is what of BA? Negative of BA. Can you see? You reverse. You bet Uno, right? You double reverse become the same thing, right? You get what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? This is a very useful one when you come to further simplification. Is that understood? Is that understood? Okay. Good. Now, next, I'm going on to something that is the same as your matrices, which I'm not going to spend a lot of time on. Let's look at example 11. Now, simplify this, I think no problem, right? Matrices, we already know how to simplify it. Correct? Then next, find the values of x and y in each of the equations. Now, this one also no problem. You do it as a matrix. Correct? Then this one also no problem. You just do it as matrix. And then you solve properly. That's all. Okay, we have done this in matrices chapter 4, so I'm not going to go into a lot of details over here. Is that okay, class? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay, good. Now that's your example 11. Okay. Next. Alright, can you turn to question 13 on page 28? This one. Question 13 on page 28. Can you write the answer beside the question? Just write the answer beside to see if you know what I'm talking about so far.
What is
If cannot do, just tell me cannot do, okay? I mean, if the question cannot be done. One more minute, just try.
do it
Alright. Hebron, what's your A answer? RT. Must remember to write the RT. I just want to know, can all of you get RT? Okay. B. Z.
TS.
TS. Is it correct? TS is correct, Okay. Next one, Edwin.
ST.
ST. Very good. Okay. Can part D be done? Cannot be done. So this one cannot be done. Can you see? This one cannot be done because you cannot simplify it further. Understand? And there are no common points. Okay. Now, is this one that I want to talk about? RS, can you see that this is a plus ST? That's why I say when it's reversed, it's a plus, right? I mean, it's a minus, right? Correct or not? If I write like that, straight away you can do it already. Can you see? It's like students don't know how to write this. Is that clear? Now, can you see that negative TS is actually ST? Can you see now? So after I write this, what's the answer? RT, yes. This is the one that needs a lot of thinking. Understand? That's why just now I told you about that. It's because of this type of question. Okay, now next I'm going to do F. RS plus TR plus TU. Okay? Now, this one, some people will tell me, cannot do. Can do. Okay, this one can do. All of you look up. This is RS minus RT, right? Then plus T, right? Do you agree TR is minus RT? Correct. Now, all of you look up now. Now, this one can do already. What's the answer?
Is TR minus TU.
Huh?
The first one is TR minus TU.
First one is TR minus TU.
It's plus minus.
Minus, oh okay, my goodness. So this one is the minus line.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, thank you. Okay, so what will these two give me? TS, very good. TS minus TU, you can get already, right? What do you get?
US.
US.
Minus first then plus.
Huh?
Minus first then plus.
You minus this one first then plus, also can. Would you get the same answer? Okay, let's see what Edwin did. So what he did is, he do this one first. Right? So this one is plus what? You are. So RS minus RU, so it's still US, correct? Can you see or not? Okay, so what is the learning point here? The learning point is that when you have AB, it's actually minus BA. Or you have PQ, is actually minus what? QP. So you must know how to rewrite all this. Is that clear to everyone here? Yes or no? Okay, now, can I have a look at your vector diagram, the face of paper? Okay, now, this is your vector diagram, right? At the back got space, right? Okay, if you can finish those at the back, I mean the question that I'm going to set is all, no waste of paper lah. I don't want you to use foolscap, so you just do it here. If not enough space, then can you just continue on foolscap and then you staple together. Understand what I'm talking about? Okay, now can you please first of all write your name, your class on the grid paper first. On the grid paper. Some people don't even write anything much. And then can you please write down the title vector addition, vector subtraction. Okay, I'm going to do these questions as homework, but I'm going to do it on the board together with you. Until I run out of time, you will go home and do 10, 11, 12, 17 and 18. Okay? We will finish this one up, then after that, we will be going to scalar multiplication.
Is this 5B, right?
Huh?
5B.
5 yes. Okay, on your grid paper, aiyo, excuse me, on your grid paper there's a title, everything here, right? Correct now. Can you add the title down there? Vector addition, vector subtraction, then you write down here exercise 5B. Then you will know how to file in. You don't even write exercise 5B, how you know how to file in? Can ah? Can ah? Now, if your square paper at the back, no place already, please use a foolscap and then staple together, understand? But if got place, please do at the back there. Okay? Alright, let us do question number 10 first. Okay. Let us do question number 10. Okay, 10 part 1. Look at the diagram. Actually, also not much use the diagram. Okay? Have you taken this down? Go to clean away. 10, 11, 12, 17, and 18. Done? Taken down already? Okay, good. Let's start with question number 10. 10 part 1. PT plus TR. This one don't know, will throw out the class. What is it? PR, very good. Number 2. SQ plus QR. S, R. Number 3. TR plus ST. Don't tell me straight away cannot do, I can do this one. This one is what? TR minus what? TS. What's TR minus TS? SR. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, part 4. SQ plus QT, right? ST. Hey, if this one come out in the exam, must get correct one. Cannot this one also wrong, and then nothing to get correct. You understand? Huh? Next one, part 5 and part 6. I give you some time. You do first. 1 minute. Okay. How to write the second line? S what? SR plus PS. Then is what? Yes, SR minus SP. PR, right? Can you see? Can you see? Now, actually, the last one is also very simple. No even need to do anything. Now, can you see all these are intermediate points? All of you look, please. Q, Q, P, 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 right? So what's the final answer? RS, no. You don't need to do the individual steps. I know it's straight away RS. Because all the intermediate points are the same. Are we clear? Are we clear about this? Okay, good. Next. Number 12. Can you please draw this diagram first? This diagram. Okay, draw the diagram for me first. So that you can refer to the diagram and do some of the manipulations there. Okay, stop talking. There are 2 boys there. Just now I wrote on the board. What question?
10, 11, 12.
Or 11 you've done already lah. Okay, so 10, 12, correct. Okay, let's take a look at 12. All of you look up. After you draw the diagram, right, the question says what? This diagram shows what? What? Parallelogram. ORTS, where OR is R and OS is S. Okay, all of you look up. Can you add for me? This one is also vector R, right? This one is also vector S, right? Correct. Same length, same direction is the same, correct? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, now, first one, very easy. How to find RT? So we need on the board. Just S. Okay. What about TS? Where's TS?
Negative R.
Negative R, very good. Can you see now? Why negative R?
Opposite.
Because it's the opposite but the same size, correct? Okay, next one, number 3. OT.
S plus R. S plus R.
OT is S plus, correct now? Do you agree it's S plus R? Can? Okay, next one. RS.
S minus R.
RS.
S minus R.
S minus, correct? Can you see it's S minus R? Okay, what is SR?
Negative.
No, actually I don't have to do from here. I can just take from here, right? Correct. So this is negative S plus R, or you can say R minus S, also the same thing. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay. I've already done question 10 and question 12 for you. Okay. You will do question 17 and question 18 yourself. And then Monday, we'll come back and then we'll see which part you can't do. Is that clear? You continue now. Don't back up. Edwin, stop the video.